Okay, so just to talk about what we done, we made a volcano. Oh, we made a volcano and we painted it, and we used plastic Paris to it. So that's our little intro. So we're about to interrupt this volcano.
So we have to put a tablespoon of this. Oh, don't touch it with your hand now, okay? Use the spoon. And put it up in there. Okay. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. Then we're going to gradually pour 1 cup of water, a little at a time, and stand back as the volcano erupts.
Mommy got this.
Okay. Whole cup of water.
Whoa! Oh my God!
It's erupting! Look at that.
That's what happens when a volcano sneezes.
Sneezes. Pretty cool.
The stuff actually kind of looks like Syria, but a little bit more extended.
It says the bubbling lava is the result of a chemical reaction between the citric acid and sodium bicarbonate in your eruption pattern. In this reaction, carbon dioxide gas is created, which builds up pressure in the lava chamber until it bubbles out the top of the volcano. This is a good representation of what happens inside a real volcano when they erupt.
I'm going to add a little bit more.
Wait, we could also try dish soap. It would make it a bigger eruption.
Okay. We're going to grab some dish soap. I think we have some right here.
Here, I have it down here. Okay. It says try adding a little bit of dish soap to the citric acid and sodium bicarbonate before you add the water. Alright, so we'll put more of this in. Okay. Whoa! There you go. A little bit of dish soap. Okay. Oh, here we go. Comes the water.
Let's see. Let me stand back. A little bit more.
Whoa! That's cool. It looks like a volcano with lots of bubbles.
Yeah. This is a pretty good video. If you want to try more of these, you can go to the link on here, which we'll read in a little bit. Also, your parents can, oh, that's a big bottle, can buy the thing. And I'll show you what the box looks like. Let me go get real quick. Oh, thank you. It looks like this. It isn't going to be open, but the box should look like this.
You can show them the mold that's inside.
Yeah.
That we used.
And there's molds inside.
That's how we made the volcano.
Yeah.
We had plaster of Paris.
Yeah.
And how long did it take to sit?
It took about 2 hours.
To dry? And then we had to...
And about another 2 hours in the oven.
Yeah, we put it in the oven for a little bit.
Yeah. But it isn't really a little bit, so... Mom, can you read the link?
The link?
Yeah, but to get a video of this, like a YouTube, like those things.
Like to go to National Geographic or something?
Yeah.
Let's see if there's something on here. natgeo.com.
Okay, so if you heard that, hopefully this can help get some subscribers, because we finally get 40 subscribers and we're just like this much away to 100 subscribers. So anyways, have fun trying this at home. Well, that's it for now. Whoa! Okay, you can stop recording.